Quadratic equation for given root. Find quadratic equation in standard form with minus 2, 1 over 2 as its root. So we want to find a quadratic equation which has only one root, which is minus 2 and a half. So we can write minus 2 and a half as minus 5 over 2, right? Now if 5 over 2 is a root, that means x plus 5 over 2 is a factor, correct? So that has to be a factor, correct? So that is the strategy to be applied here. Now it is a quadratic equation. It should have two factors. Since it has only one root, that means both the factors are same factors. Do you understand? So that is how we get to find our equations. We can write y equals to x plus, now we could also write this as 2x plus 5 whole square, right? So now it becomes a quadratic equation which has a root at minus 2 and a half. Do you understand how we did it? So minus 2 and a half is actually minus 5 over 2. So x plus 5 over 2 is a factor. Now we could also write this as 2x plus 5, correct? So if I write 2x plus 5, I get minus 5 over 2 as one of the roots. Now since it is a quadratic equation, that should be squared. So we have a double root at minus 2 and a half. That is how we have to understand it. Now let's expand it, right? So it's like a plus b whole square. So you could either expand it using a formula or just multiply 2x plus 5 with 2x plus 5. So let me do 2x plus 5 times 2x plus 5 and expand it using the distributive property. So 2x times 2x gives me 4x squared. 2x times 5 gives me 10x. And 5 times 2x is also 10x. 5 times 5 is 5 squared, which is 25. So we get 4x squared plus 2 times ab, which is 20x plus 25. So that becomes the quadratic equation, and this quadratic equation has just one root, which is minus 2 and a half. So that is how you can get the equation. Thank you.